Ever wondered what home looks like from a cosmic perspective? I'm talking about the Milky Way Galaxy, our grand star-studded address in the universe. And trust me, it's way more than just a faint stripe in the night sky. Let's take a 3-minute ride through the Milky Way secrets and see why this galaxy is so much more than meets the eye. First, picture this. The Milky Way is a gigantic barred spiral galaxy, stretching about 100,000 light-years from end to end. That's so big, even light would need 100,000 years to cross it. Nestled within its swirling arms are over 100 billion stars, including our own Sun, which sits in a relatively quiet neighborhood called the Orion Arm, about 27,000 light-years from the galactic center. Now, what does the Milky Way actually look like? Imagine a frisbee with a glowing bulge in the middle. That's the galactic bulge, jam-packed with stars. Spiral arms twist out from this center, filled with gas, dust, and newborn stars. The whole disk is wrapped in a giant invisible halo, made up of old stars, globular clusters, and something mysterious, dark matter. Speaking of mysteries, let's talk about Sagittarius A asterisk, the supermassive black hole at the center. It's got a mass about 4 million times that of our Sun. Everything in the galaxy, including us, orbits this monster at breakneck speeds, around 828,000 kilometers per hour. And get this, it takes our solar system about 230 million years to complete just one lap around the galactic center. That means the last time we were in this spot, dinosaurs ruled the Earth. But here's the cosmic plot twist. Most of the Milky Way's mass isn't even visible. About 90% of it is dark matter, stuff we can't see, touch, or even detect directly. We only know it's there because its gravity holds the galaxy together, keeping stars from flying off into space. With all these layers and mysteries, how do we even study our own galaxy from the inside? That's where missions like Gaia step in, mapping over 1 billion stars in 3D. Hubble captures stunning details of distant regions, while Chandra X-ray Observatory peeks into high-energy areas like black holes. Thanks to these tools, we're constantly updating our mental map of the Milky Way. And if you think our galaxy is alone, think again. The Milky Way is part of the Local Group, a cosmic neighborhood with around 54 galaxies, including the mighty Andromeda and the whimsical Magellanic Clouds. Here's a wild fact. In about 4.5 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda are set to collide and merge into a new, even bigger galaxy. So why does any of this matter? Well, by exploring the Milky Way, we uncover the rules that guide the entire universe. From how galaxies form, to the hidden dance of dark matter, to the birthplaces of planets and life. Next time you look up at that cloudy band in the night sky, remember, you're gazing into the heart of our cosmic home, a galaxy of secrets, stories, and endless possibilities.